Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. In this lecture, I will be providing an overview of the three dimensions which J. Abraham talks about. As mentioned before, the in-depth explanation and analysis of these three dimensions will be done in section 7. So the first three dimensions mentioned by J. Abraham are number 1, more customers through the door, number 2, higher value sales, and number 3, more frequent sales. But very few people have asked these questions. Why do they work? Let me explain what I think. So I have observed during my career that these dimensions laid down the solid foundation of a business. As we will learn in the transactional model of business, which I explained in section 5, a business is a source of outbound transactions and a sink of inbound transactions. Don't worry much about that now. I will provide enough detail in the coming sections that it will make perfect sense. So it means that a business purchases the products and services for adding value to them or uses them to carry out its operations. As a result, a business creates tangible or intangible products and creates value for the targeted market. The cumulative sum of inbound transactions represent expenses and the cumulative sum of outbound transactions represents gross revenue. After coaching many entrepreneurs over the years, I found that the conceptual foundation explained by J. Abraham converges to a model of business which I call the transactional model of business. So essentially, these three dimensions increase the frequency of the outbound transactions and enhance the average value of these transactions. This results in higher revenue and keeps the business sustainable as well as profitable in the long run. I have seen over the years that these dimensions work, and it will become clear in the following sections. I am sure that some of you might have found it a bit unconventional, but as you will see, the concepts which you will learn in this course will give you the slight edge. Thank you for your time, ladies and gentlemen, and let's proceed to the next lecture.